Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm filming my learning activity. I'm learning Arabic in this website. It's a great website to learn many languages, but now I'm learning Arabic. Okay, I have finished many lessons. I've finished many topics, and now I'm in the last topics of checkpoint 4 here. Yeah, there are 5 checkpoints here, the last checkpoints. Okay, so now I have finished 3 lessons of the first level in this topic. There are 5 levels here. Each level has 4 lessons, and now I will do the fourth lesson. Okay, start.
نعم أريد شايا ساخنا شكرا.
Wow, I must translate this sentence into English. Naam. Naam is yes in English. Naam, yes. Urid, I want. Shayan, Shayan, tea. Shayan is tea. Urid, Shayan. Sakhinan. Oh, Sakhinan. Yeah, I can guess. I can guess it warm. Warm tea. Yes, I want a warm tea. No, not a. I want warm tea. Like this. Naam, urid shayan sakhinan. Yes, I want warm tea. Shukran. Thank you. Let's check. Is it correct? How to pronounce?
نعم أريد شايا ساخنا شكرا.
نعم أريد شاي ساخنا شكرا. Okay, check. Correct. Go
أريد
on.
حلوى كل الوقت.
أريد I want. I want. Halwa. What is halwa? A dessert maybe. No. I don't know. Check.
حلوى.
Oh, I want a dessert. I want a dessert. كل الوقت. All the time. Halwa dessert. I want. Oh, without I want dessert all the time. Okay then.
الكبيب ممتازة.
Al
الكبيب ممتازة. الكبيب ممتازة.
Kibbeh Mumtaza. Kibbeh is amazing. Mumtaza, amazing. Check. Yeah, because Al-Kibbeh there is feminine, so Mumtaz become feminine. Mumtaza. Go on.
هل تريد عصيرا طيبا؟
هل تريد you want? Do you want? Asiran juice. هل تريد عصيرا طيبا? Do you want good juice? طيب, good. Let's check.
رمضان كريم.
Ramadan Karim. Ramadan. Oh, generous Ramadan. Generous Ramadan. Check. Correct.
أريد كباب ساخنا.
Happy Ramadan semua. أريد كبابا. أريد كبابا ساخنا. I want warm kebab. أريد كبابا ساخنا is warm. Check. Correct.
هذا الطبق طيب جدا.
هذا الطبق. This dish ya, طبق. This dish is very جدا Very good. طيب. Check. Correct.
لا أريد شايا بارداً.
Barit is cold. I don't want cold tea. Yeah, me too. I don't like it. It's better the warm tea. I don't want cold tea. Let's check. Correct.
أريد طبقاً طيباً. أريد طبقاً طيباً.
Wait, طبقاً جيداً. I want good طبقاً dish, I think. Yeah, dish. Okay. One.
نعم يريد كبابا طيباً.
Yes, Yuri. He wants good kebab. Check. Correct.
لا يريد عصيراً ساخناً.
No, I don't want. La Yuri, he doesn't want عصيراً juice ساخنا. Oh, warm juice. Yeah, for juice it's better with ice. Go on. Yeah, correct.
هل تريد خبزاً ساخناً؟
Do you want what is خبزاً? Bread. Oh, bread. ساخنا warm bread. Do you want warm bread? Check. Correct. Okay.
هل تريد حلوى يا فريد؟
Do you want halwa dessert? Right. Check. Correct.
لا أريد كبب شكراً.
I don't want kibbeh. Thank you. Check. Correct.
يا ريم تريدين عصيراً بارداً صحيح؟
Rim. One. You want rim. You want asiran juice. Cold barit. Cold asiran juice. Correct. Check. Okay.
أريد كبب.
I want kibbeh. Check. Correct.
ما هذا الطبق؟
What is this tabak dish ya tabak dish. Check. Correct.
وكيف الحلوى؟
How is and how is the dessert? Halwa dessert. Check. Correct.
أنا أحب رمضان كثيراً.
I like Ramadan a lot. كثيرا. Check. Correct.
الحمد لله لرمضان.
Praise be to God for Ramadan. Check.
أريد حلوى كل الوقت.
I want dessert. Yeah, this one. I was wrong before. I want dessert without the. I want dessert all the time. Check. Yes. Finish. Loading. I think I have finished all. Yes. Okay, you've reached your daily goal. Okay, 10 XP and 5 bonus, 15 XP. Okay, check. You have earned one lingot. Thank you. Level 1, okay. So I reached level 1 now. It means, okay, I finished 4 lessons here about transportation and also 4 lessons here about food tree. So after finish, uh, after reach level 1 for all these two topics, so the next topics here in checkpoint 5, phone and family will be activated. Okay, how many XP now? You see 1497. Okay, I'll continue and then here, yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, okay, everybody, that's all this video. Just wait the next video. I will upload later on YouTube the next video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video if you think it's useful. And see you. Ma'assalamah.